Hi Mustangs, guess what? It's another attempt at determining whether or not we can turn an egg into a rubber ball. So for this experiment, you need an egg. The brown shelled eggs are maybe easier to see the shell dissolve, but the white eggs work just as good. And some form of container that you can seal up. On top of that, you need vinegar. White vinegar works best just so that it doesn't cloud your egg, but you probably could use any vinegar. So for this experiment, it takes many days. So we're gonna start our experiment today and we'll check back tomorrow, and then we'll check back the next day. And what we're looking for is to determine whether or not we can turn this egg into like a rubber ball, a rubber item, okay? So here's what you do. You get your egg in your container and then you pour vinegar on top of it. Okay, so you can see my egg is in the container. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up my vinegar. My cat is helping me. My cat is my assistant today. Gotta use my right hand. Then you're gonna go ahead and cover your egg with vinegar. Okay, there it is. And then we're gonna seal it up. Okay, so now our egg is in the vinegar and we're just gonna wait. So we'll check back